Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial and this video. Do you remember the scrolling background tutorial? Well, in this tutorial I'm going to add a camera Y. Let's get started. So let's add the camera Y. So a new variable called camera Y for all sprites. Okay, that's good. Now let's show it and now let's put a slider. And now let's change to the slider range. So, oh no, it's normal, 0 and 100. Okay, let's leave it like that. So there we have the camera Y. And now let's add some things. Here in the BG, let's change something. Um, okay. So let's change. So cell Y to now let's put times. Okay. Minus and then the times on the right side. So 0 minus a scrolling speed times camera Y. Camera Y times scrolling speed. Okay, there it is. Now in the road, let's leave it to 0. Okay. And now let's go to the convertible. Okay. So let's put here in the one if I clicked, change camera X by 16 and so Y. No, here we have here. Okay, so change camera Y by 16 and here is Y2. So let's put a minus. Okay. Negative 80 minus. And let's put a times. So camera Y times 1. Let's see if this works. Here have the road, all good, and camera Y. Now here it's about. Okay, so it works. So the camera Y actually works. So guys, subscribe for more tutorials. So for now, bye bye.